In this video, I will show you how to remove and replace the shifter actuator in a Whirlpool-made vertical modular washer. Disconnect the washer from the wall outlet. Turn the water faucets off. Disconnect the fill hoses from the water faucets. Put a towel on the floor to catch any water dripping from the fill hoses. Remove the drain hose from the drain pipe. Tie the drain hose to the washer so it won't leak water on the floor. Use a can of paint like this to lay down the washer on it. This way, if there is water in the tub, it will not leak to the floor. Remove the belt guard. You will need to remove two 5/16 screws. Disconnect the wire harness from the shifter actuator. You will need to press on these tabs while pulling on the wire harness to remove it. Go ahead and remove the wire harness. Put the wire harness away from the working area. Remove the two holding screws. And remove the bad shifter actuator. You could move this part of the splash to where you need it so the shifter actuator arm could connect to it. Put the new shifter actuator in place. Make sure that the shifter hooks on the splash arm. And secure it with the two screws. Connect the wire harness to the shifter actuator. Make sure to push the wires connector all the way in. Install the belt guard and secure it with the two screws. Stand the washer up. Put the drain hose in the drain pipe. And connect the fill hoses to the faucets. And open the water faucets. And connect the washer to the wall outlet. Next, you need to run the washer on the calibration mode. Start with the timer dial in this position. You need to do what I'm going to show you next within 6 seconds. Turn the timer dial like this. 1 click to the left, 3 clicks to the right, 1 click to the left, and 1 click to the right. All these green lights should be flashing on and off. Then turn the dial clockwise until the rinse light is on. Then press the start button and let the washer work on its own until it finishes. It probably take about 15-20 minutes. Okay? When the washer finishes the calibration mode on its own, then you go ahead and use the washer, see how it works now. If you like this video, you could click on the subscribe button to be notified every time I make a new video. Thanks for watching. This is Angel the Appliance Man.